In this video, we'll show you how to create and edit a swept path analysis using Kobi Swept Path. Start your analysis with the drive command. Use the Simulation Assistant tool to switch between forward and reverse, just like if you were driving in real life. Swept path analysis is implemented as custom objects, so you can work with them using standard CAD commands. They can easily be copied, moved, or adjusted, and key parameters can be edited directly within the Properties palette. You can customize your analysis by adding descriptions, setting colors for envelopes, paths, or axle traces, switching axle traces on or off, and adjusting hatch transparency for better visibility. Need more than one? Just use the copy command to duplicate your analysis. Each copy stays dynamic, so you can edit it anytime. Change parameters, colors, patterns, all from the Properties palette. It's flexible, interactive, and fits right into your workflow. No pop-ups, no extra steps, just tools that let you focus on design.